the creator of a game called Money Dash. In this video, we have in our scene an animated character that runs to the left and is disabled when is no longer visible. The objective here is to show you how to recycle objects in your scene to avoid garbage collection when instantiating. This can be useful when you spawn enemies, bullets, arrows, or anything else. To begin, let's delete our character, since it is a prefab. Next, create a new game object to store our object pool script. In our newly created object pool script, let's grab a reference to our character's prefab. If you are not familiar with the concept of instantiating, is just create game objects in runtime. For this, we need to pass it a position, an object reference, usually a prefab, and optionally, a transform parent and a new rotation. As we can see, in this test, our characters are instantiated and disabled after, but they just stack, so we can end up with an infinite amount of them. In this next test, if we destroy the characters, we will no longer have infinite game objects, but it will generate garbage collection every time we instantiate. Our solution to this is create an object pooling list. With it, we will just instantiate a certain amount of characters, disabling and enabling them when they are needed. In the start method, we will fill our list with all our instantiated characters. Like that, we will make sure that the garbage collections ends there. In this test, we can see our object pooling working perfectly. If our characters were not enough for our needs, we could just create an if conditional to check it, and in that case instantiate a new character and add it to the list. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.